You are heading out on a freezing morning and your engine is taking forever to get up to temperature. Or worse, it starts stumbling as soon as you put it in gear, and that annoying check engine light is showing a P047 detected code P047F, which means your exhaust pressure control valve is stuck wide open. This little valve acts a lot like a throttle body for your exhaust by restricting flow to help your engine and coolant heat up faster, especially in those bitter cold climates. And when it gets stuck open, you lose that efficiency and your drivability goes out the window almost immediately. This is a generic trouble code, so you might see it on anything from a Dodge or a Ford to a VW, but the way they lay out the system can change from one brand to another. Usually valve A is going to be on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The first thing you want to do is grab your diagnostic scanner and see if any other intake error or coolant temperature codes are hanging out, because you really need to fix those first before even touching this valve. You should also check for any technical service bulletins for your specific ride, since manufacturers often find common flaws and provide a quick fix that could save you hours of head scratching. You should visually inspect the wiring for any obvious breaks or melted plastic, then use a digital voltometer to check for the correct voltage signal at the valve itself. You might need to use your scanner to trick the car into thinking it is a cold start just to see the system activate. Sometimes you might even need an infrared thermometer to see if the exhaust pipe is actually getting as hot as the sensor says it is, which is a great way to tell if the valve is physically moving or just pretending to. If the wiring is solid but the valve is not hitting the positions the P047 wants, it might be time for a replacement. Remember, this is usually a turbo or supercharged setup issue, so keep an eye on those specific components, and do not just blame the muffler or catalytic converter, because they will not trigger this specific code, even if they are totally clogged up. Get this fixed soon because it messes with your fuel economy and how your heater works inside the cabin.